Try and get this thing started. And it doesn't want to start when it's cold. It's all right, I guess we're walking. Let's go see if the shop is warmed up yet. Dry birch. That's the way we do it here. If you haven't seen our video on this 99 ZL600 EFI, check it out. The fuel tank was a complete block of ice. Took it on its test drive, found out broken clutch spring. Get this thing in the shop. Gotta love that EFI first pull, baby. Spring came in. We got it directly from Articat. For this one, 0646229. We're gonna get this clutch spring in and grab some tools and a puller. I ain't seen daylight for 2 bars. I think you can change socket. There she goes. Nipple to nipple?
Yep.
Oh yeah. There we go, nipple to nipple. Clutch is all done. Let's put it in. She's all done. What are we pulling?
That flywheel. Gonna be pulling the flywheel off of there.
97 8500. Been picked through a little bit, but someone needs a flywheel, so.
Not even a knuckle buster.
We're visiting the shipping department this morning. What do we got?
Out this Honda ATC 200 rear axle, and I gotta figure out how to package that bad boy up. And yeah, that's about it for this morning. Wasn't expecting a foot long this early in the day.
So on our way back from picking up lunch at Subway, we saw a marketplace. Oh, Gunter taking a dump right there. Come on, man. Anyways, on our way back from lunch, we saw a marketplace ad for a dirt bike that was $40, and we couldn't pass that up. It was a Honda. I believe it's a little XR80. So we're gonna check that out. We got it in the truck, and we're gonna unload it now and get it in the shop. There she is. We got a little air-cooled engine. Mostly there. It looks to be full of water. It's not locked up, so it does turn over. Exhaust. We got a set of handlebars. We got a front fork, which I don't know if it's any good. We'll see. The frame. We'll see if there's a VIN on it. But yeah, there's a VIN. So it looks like it's just been painted over, which, yeah, that's questionable. Yeah, I think it was a good find. Exhaust is full of rusty water. Are they running? Are they running?
Come on.
What? All right, what? What? Let's see. Can you carry this? Set it over by the other parts on the ground. See those other ones? Oh no, not this one's heavy. Alright. You want to grab a fork? Alright. Put that right over there by the other ones. Jeesh. Oh, here. Skid plate. Alright, go put that in the pile of parts. $40. Not bad.
Oh my gosh, there's so many bumps. Oh, what's happening now? Anyways. Yeah, so we're out getting boxes.
Look at this camera.
Hey. Hi there. Oh, hey, I know you. Where do I look? So we're getting boxes. We need a lot of boxes for all of the parts that we ship out. Everything from carburetor jets all the way up to massive Skidoo air boxes, and there's no uniform size. Right now in this early stage, we'll take anything, any boxes.
Free boxes!
Free boxes, where it's at. We're also picking up a 4-wheeler.
Yep, 4-wheeler. Cat in the back of that truck.
I don't know if it'll show. So, stop number 1 was not fruitful. As we were pulling up, some other dude was loading up the last box in his car. Apparently this guy gave his address to a couple people, and we showed up just a few minutes too late. She scrambled and she found a couple boxes, so whatever.
We got a fish box. So if your part gets shipped in a fish box, you know it's from this lady.
Going to Willie P's. We're gonna pick up that 4-wheeler frame, I guess, with some suspension parts. I don't even know what make it is, so I guess we'll find out when we get there.
How's it going?
How's it going? What's your main channel?
Diamond Choppers, small engine repair.
Make sure you check it out. Does a lot of chainsaws.
Oh yeah. There's a little over 50 chainsaws in the shop currently assembled. What is torn apart.
Yeah.
So I just
Any
throw the
rare
tracks
ones?
in 'cause-
Well, Panther.
Yeah, I had a single cylinder in it. Previous owner put a 500 in it,
Oh, nice.
which is sitting over there.
Probably
behind
screams.
behind the Skidoo one.
Yeah, that seat
So-
is mint.
And this is the
Snowblowers and snowblowers.
I saw you had that 91 Stand It 2.
Oh yeah, yep.
You have 2 of them?
Yeah. So this is the parts machine for it. Bought 2 Scandics for $200,
Yeah.
which is a steal of a deal.
Yeah.
But right up in here, where this tube meets the handlebars up
Yeah.
in there, they had welded it on the other one, and I was riding it. All of a sudden, the steering felt like the handlebars were lopsided.
Mm-hmm.
They used a stick welder on it, and it just snapped right off at the weld.
Yeah.
What year is this one?
And they're both a matching pair of 91s.
Okay.
But yeah, here she is.
Alright. Is she frozen?
I had it popped loose the other day, and then
Oh, it's down there. It is down there. It's all right. You can buy the pizza tonight.
Greatest mechanics are measured by the length of their bar.
Oh, she moved. Trying to label the machines because when we're trying to pull parts, I'm like, yeah, it's this one, and it has the green stuff on the hood. No, not that one.
And then you're like,
the fifth one down the road, but on the left.
And then I'm like, I don't know, I'm not out there. So we're trying to label the machines so we have the information on it. So I can just say it's the 95 Arctic Bearcat 340. And then he can just run along into the tags and look.
we got
And
zip
then we got
ties.
zip ties.
The hole's too small.
Or
Just
the
tip.
zip ties too big. So now, I don't know if we find just some junk wire or...
Welding wire?
Yeah, but welding wire is expensive.
Bread ties.
Yeah.
We gotta eat a lot of bread.
I don't know. I guess we can just see what's in the shop and see if there's anything decent.
I found a whole box. I started taking on stuff. And I went in there, I was like, hey, is this one of the
Yeah.
that the guys working in here? And they told me to just go and talk to them.
Okay.
So we're throwing them away. And I'm like, you want to throw a couple more bags towards me? And then,
Just on the random. Hey, what's the size?
yeah, but I was passing them.
Push. Push.
You can't start it.
We got some big tie wire and some small stuff.
'2008 Polaris Assault, unknown engine issues, sat at another shop for about 2 years. We're gonna tackle it.